everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'll be doing a perfect cat eyeliner. So if you're interested, then let's keep watching. So to begin with, I need to shape my eyebrows in a way that they lift my face, specifically my eyes. So here's the thing, make sure that whatever shape your eyebrows are in, don't follow the natural line. Instead, go a little overboard and mark the line with using a flat eyebrow brush, using a straighter motions as compared to the angular ones. The straighter and the lighter your eyebrows are, the more lifted your face will look. Just a little bit above your usual eyebrow bone and it'll make a hell of a difference. In order to set my eyebrows, I'm using brow gel to make my eyebrows look more natural, feathery, and more cat liner ready. Secondly, it's really important to carve out your eyebrows using concealer. So what I preferably like to do is I use a liquid concealer to coat under my eyebrows so that there's no harsh lines at the ends. Later on, using a powder highlighter, I like to set my brow bone in order to differentiate my brow bone with my eye crease. Using matte shades on my eyelids to make my eyes look more cat liner ready. Make sure you only apply matte shadows and not any shimmer shadows, because the more matter your eyes look, the more lifted and natural your eyes are gonna look. I'm making sure to place my eyeshadow over my brow bone, reflecting a fake crease. Your lower eyelid and your upper eyelid needs to be straighter and higher. The higher your crease, the more lifted your eyes will look eventually. A cool toned brown eyeshadow never fails to make your cat eye crease ready. Now it's time for lining my eyes. The most important step, I'm using this pen eyeliner for precision. There are tons of tricks to cat line your eyes, but what I am going to share with you works for me always. Always look for your eye shape. Like for me, it's upturned. My inner corners are lower than my outer corners. So I'm taking my natural line simply and extending it forward, just like this. Following the same pattern for my second eye as well. Now the key here is to slightly blink your eyes while you wing it, so that it follows your natural state of eyes without any extra efforts. Slightly extend your wing from center towards the outer end and fill in the gaps. Make sure you do not overdo your wing, or else it'll end up looking like a mess. Moving on to the inner corner of your eyes, make sure you use a steady hand and a precision tip of your eyeliner. Slightly curve it and bring it down towards the natural angle of your eyes. Basically, your eyes should look like a wave when it's closed, and the inner corners should appear closer to your nose. have upturned eyes, I do not require much of the inner eye corner work, but the outer corner work needs to be extremely on point, or else your cat liner would not look like a cat liner anymore. Giving away some cat eye glitch and goes to the lens, here we are, and voila! Curling my eyelashes and bringing on the day with a bang. You can apply a highlighter at your inner ends or even on your outer ends following your wing to give it more sharp effect. The sharper your wing looks, the more cat-lined your eyes will become. If you want to emphasize your cat liner, do not put your kohl at your lower ends, or else it'll steal the show. Making myself Instagram ready, I have tied up my hair in a super high ponytail. Psychologically, when your hair are tied up in a ponytail, your face automatically becomes lifted than usual. Do consider to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you all so much. See you in the next one.